Contestant number 3, Ivy Fernando. Her speech is entitled Through Success. Through Success, Ivy Fernando.
Fellow Toastmasters, have you been asked of what success is? Prosperity, health, relationships, career. Those are some of the factors that we consider in determining success. In a broader sense, we can define success as the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. But the important question is, what does success mean to you? If I ask all of you, I can have quite a lot of different meanings of success. Some might define success based on the attainment of wealth and tangible things, whereas others might say having a life full of joy and happiness. That is their success. Many people greatly struggle in defining their own success, and I am one of them. I am one of those who define success based on what we're seeing physically: car, house, and of course, money. I became focused on earning a lot to support our needs and wants. I will do everything I can to secure the future of my family, especially of my daughter. Yes, I have a 3-year-old daughter. So, I am focused on that aspect. And sometimes I forgot to spend time with her. My weekends, that should be family hours, turn to be extended working hours. I want to go home, but I just really can't. So I keep telling myself, I am doing this for her. I need to do this for her. But do I really know what she really wants? What she really needs? Yes, I can provide her material things, but is it the presence of your loved ones, your family, that really matters? Every day I call her, but sometimes I suddenly hear her crying and saying, "Nanay, uwi ka ha?" Money can fulfill our needs, but it cannot buy us happiness. Remember that success is not a key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. I just realized that I was driven and envied with the success of others, and I pay attention to the wrong aspect of my life. That's where I focus on small things, and I forgot what really matters to me most. You must determine what is the most important in your life. And from there, start creating your goals and stop judging and comparing your life with others. Because true success is living the life that is authentic to who you are. I will share you a story of two women who have significantly different lives. Luz Biminda is a 60-year-old head nurse in the US. She had a house there and some investments here in the Philippines. She's currently living with her longtime best friend. They're both professional and single. On the other side, Luz Biminda, a 49-year-old housewife with two daughters and a lovely grandchild. She only finished high school, and the only investment that she had, intangible investment that she had, was with her daughter, who graduated in college and became a professional. So between the two of them, who do you consider successful? Is it the head nurse or the housewife? My answer is both are equally successful. They both have different goals, yet they consider themselves successful. So the two women were connected to me. The first one, the head nurse, Lola Luz. She is my grandmother, my mother's aunt. The second one is Mama Luz. She is my lovely mother. So to this point, reflecting on your life's purpose. What is success for you? Contest chair.